How to find your Steam trade URL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your Steam's trade URL. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Steam app. Now your trade URL is a unique ID that you get on your Steam account that helps you trade with other people on their other accounts. So if you want to find your trade ID, you first have to open up your Steam, click on your profile and visit your profile here. Once you land on your profile page, scroll down until you find your inventory. So click on your Steam inventory and it will open up a new page. As you can see, I don't have anything on my inventory, but that's not the point. You're going to have to click on the trade offers option, and then from here you will see all of your trade offers. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find this option, who can send me trade offers. Just click on it and you can see who can send you a trade offer. And on your third-party sites, you will find your URL right here. If you want to create a new URL, you could do that as well, but you have to note that your previous URLs will not work as well. So just go ahead and copy this and then send it to your friend who you want to trade with. And now you've successfully found your Steam's trade URL. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.